Darul-Uloom Canada's
Camping Day 2. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Day 2. Day 2 started off with offering our Fajr prayer and having some bomb breakfast. Alhamdulillah.
ये बाबरची चिकन है
Barbecue chicken बन रही है माशाल्लाह
रात के लिए
रात के लिए ये हमारे हाफिज अरशद साहब है माशाल्लाह सारा खाना ही बनाते हैं इधर का सीधा गुजरात से आए हैं। That's right, our Hafiz Saab, basically our master chef, started preparing for lunch and dinner. Hafiz Saab, ये क्या पक रहा है?
ये दाल चावल है अभी तो ये दाल बन रही है बकरे का गोश्त है इसके अंदर
अच्छा माशाल्लाह दाल के अंदर बकरे का गोश्त
हाँ गोश्त वाली दाल मतलब
माशाल्लाह While Hafiz Saab was preparing, some students went on a hike and some students went to sleep. And it was finally lunchtime. I know, I'm starting to get hungry as well too.
ये है तो वो लाहौरी फिश
Lahori fish.
और ये तंदूरी फिश
और ये tandoori fish. Hafiz Saab chha gaye. It was finally time to fill ourselves up right before we go canoeing and hiking. Hafiz Saab, क्या खूब लग रही है दाल गोश्त. After finishing our prayer, all these kids were ready to have some fun. Alhamdulillah. To be honest, I think I was more excited than these kids. It's finally time to go canoeing. The sun was shining bright. Everyone was having a great time. And guess what? Some canoes started to flip.
Fourth.
It was finally time to put these chickens and ribs on the barbecue grill. And just a side note, yes, our master chef, our Hafiz Saab, did all the marination on these. Alhamdulillah. I know. This might be making you hungry as well too.
तंदूरी चिकन है रिब्स है सॉसेज भी है
Thank you to all the amazing volunteers. It was finally time to pray Isha and to enjoy the bonfire.
أحق بالأمن إن كنتم تعلمون الذين آمنوا ولم يلبسوا إيمانهم بظلم أولئك لهم الأمن وهم مهتدون
I hope you enjoyed part 2. Stay tuned for part 3. Hold on, we're not done part 2 yet. And we ended off the night with a beautiful qasida and a beautiful recitation of the Holy Quran.
ما تبدي